A man bought an antique typewriter from a yard sale. It came with a single half-finished page in the roller. He started typing, but noticed something eerie. The typewriter finished his sentences for him. The text spoke of his darkest secrets, ones he'd never shared with anyone. One night, the typewriter kept typing on its own, the words spelling, "I know what you did." Terrified, he threw it away, but the next morning, it was back on his desk, with a new page waiting.